Hey everyone, check out this super cute Step2 ride-along scooter. It's perfect for little ones just starting to get the hang of balancing and scooting around. My little nephew, he's just over 2, has been zipping around on this thing nonstop. First off, the design is adorable. It's got this vintage vibe with smooth lines and rounded edges, and the aqua color is so fun. It really does look like a mini classic scooter. But more importantly, it's built for stability. It's got 4 wheels, which is great for toddlers still finding their balance. The handlebars are fixed, so they can't turn, which also helps them learn to balance and steer with their feet. He loves pushing himself around the house and even outside on the sidewalk. It's lightweight enough that he can maneuver it easily, but it also feels really sturdy and well-made. It's made of this double-walled plastic, so it can take a beating. Trust me, this thing has been bumped into walls and furniture, and it's still in perfect condition. Step2 says the color won't chip or fade either, which is a huge plus. One of the things I really appreciate is the little storage compartment in the back. My nephew loves to fill it with his little toys and take them for a ride. It's a cute little detail that adds to the fun. And let's be real, anything that helps keep toys organized is a win in my book. Another great thing is how easy it is to clean. You can just wipe it down with disinfectant wipes or regular household cleaner. Super convenient for those inevitable spills and sticky fingers. Assembly was pretty straightforward too. It didn't take long to put together at all. This scooter is designed for kids between 1.5 and 4 years old, and the maximum weight is 40 pounds. It's a great way for them to develop their balance and coordination, and it's just plain fun. It's definitely a winner in our family, and I think any toddler would love it. It's a great way to get them moving and exploring, and it's a fun alternative to a traditional tricycle or push car. If you're looking for a fun and safe ride-on toy for your little one, definitely check out the Step2 ride-along scooter. It's a great investment that will provide hours of entertainment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.